Ooh, that was rough. Alright guys, we got our CNHL batteries all charged up, and I gave this girl a once over just to make sure she's going to be running good. Hopefully this guy will hold in a little better now, so we're going to put the body on her today. If they can see what I'm doing, and my camera's not too tall. Just a Sunday fun day. Need a little zen time, so I'm not sure I'm going to be doing back flips, front flips, whatever. We'll have to take her apart and do a good once over after we're done running today. See, the body's kind of pushed up a little. I don't know if one of my mounts got bent, but hopefully it's not too bad. No, number one, steering it backwards. Get our other camera set up, maybe we'll catch some good fly eyes. Oh buddy, here we go. Ooh, tried to get a double. There we go. Ooh, that was rough. Something might have broke on that one. But don't look like it. Man, if that was the plastic arm, it'd have been done. Perfect. Getting better, guys, getting better. Nice. Look at that divot. Ooh, that was rough. Ooh. So you can see where I bent it in right here. So I'll have to rebend that later. But she's still running now, so we're gonna keep going. Still running, man. This is a basher. It's definitely getting the kinks worked out. Something came loose. One more for good measure. So, yeah, you can see there. Rebuild time. Part of the fun, right, guys? So that was a quick one. You see me breaking her. I'll see you when I see you. Oh, whoa, where are you going? Let's see what kind of damage we got, actually. None of those were good landings. I blame the driver. So, well, it looks like that came loose. It looks like we bent the chassis there, and bent the chassis there. So we'll have to do a tear down and a rebuild. Par for the course, part of the fun. That was awesome. No matter how you look at it, it was cool. So like and subscribe, guys. Plenty of power for these batteries, plenty of power for this car. And yeah, I know, if I wasn't using that damn ramp, you see we bent her this way. She's all cockered up. So we're gonna take our front and back end off, get that straight, and get back out there. Piece of cake. I'll see you when I see you guys. Have a great weekend. Bye. Ooh, that was rough.
I love the chase. Always give it 100. Don't no, I'm funded. The game like it's nothing. I'm always staying for some. Look at me. Look in the mirror and he is no friend of me. The chemistry, it's time to break up so we can make a better me.
That was rough.
All it takes is